Hey, this is 675C, VEX Robotics, and this is a tutorial on Prose. Prose is the new software and compiler that we're going to use to code for VEX Robotics with the V5 Cortex. This series so far is going to start off with working on Prose with the old Cortex, and when we get the V5 in August, we'll release videos on how to use that with Prose. This is going to just start off with teaching you how to do Prose. To start off, go to your browsers and look up Prose VEX, and it should be the first one. It's this link. I will include it in the description below for this video. Once you are on the page, scroll down and press download. This will download the installer. I am going to cancel this, but you let that download. I already have that downloaded. Once you download the installer, it will open up this right here. And we're gonna get into installing this. You want to install for everyone. This really doesn't matter. If you have multiple users on your computer, this will give it to everyone, or else you could just do it for the single user you have. Okay, so this is basically what you want to install with Prose. This right here is the Prose editor. You need to install this to write the code. This is the tool chain. From my experience, it really doesn't matter if you download it. I've read up on it, and it seems that you need it if you're using it across multiple users on your computer. So if you're using a public computer or for school or something, I would say download this. And then it's the programming cables. These are, if you're familiar with VEX, these are the things that you can hook up to your controller. And if your controller is connected to your robot, you can wirelessly download your code onto the robot. Um, so you only have to download what you have. So for my team, we have both old and the new ones. Um, and then you have to choose which bit you want. Um, I doubt you have a 32-bit, but you can go look at your computer to see what sort of computer you have. Most computers these days are 64-bit. Definitely look into your computer specs. If you have Windows 10, you should be able to go about your PC. Let's see. And right here it says system type 64-bit. If yours says 32 or 84, if it says 32 or 84, then you're gonna go ahead and download the 32-bit right here. That's about it. So I am downloading the Prose editor, old programming cable and new programming cable, and this part right here is your installation folder. For most of you guys, this won't matter. This is if you're really specific about where you want your storage to be saved and stuff. And then accept and install. After this, it's really straightforward. It's gonna install. Okay, now that Prose has been installed, you can press OK. Okay, now that that's done, you can go look up Prose, open it up, and yep, you'll be here, you'll see the welcome guide and stuff. So basically, you don't see it here because I've already done it, but there is going to be a slide here, and if you look at it, it has a checkbox and it asks you if you want to make Atom better. Just accept that, it'll give you access to some other stuff. You can just close everything that says welcome, and you'll have Prose ready. Another thing, you won't have these files right here. These are my own code I've done prior to this video, so this part should be empty. And that's it for this tutorial. Tune in tomorrow where I go over motors and how to get motors to work with joysticks, and then later on we'll move into sensors. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you found it helpful, and make sure to tune in for the next one.